Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have seen the F distribution concept. In this class, we are going to learn F distribution table along some example. Here, how F distribution table with the degrees of freedom nu1 and nu2 here. Look at the F distribution table here. Observe the top row is above the top row is table value of f 0.01 is there, f 0.01 is there, and the first column represent the nu2 degrees of freedom 2, and first row represents degrees of freedom nu1, and this is the another table value of f 0.05. The column represents the nu2 and the row represents the nu1 degrees of freedom. So this is F distribution table. This is F distribution table. So F distribution table consists two parts. One is F 0.01 case and another one is F 0.05 case. Now look at the example here. For F distribution, calculate the first problem. A is F 0.05 for degrees of freedom nu1 equals to 15 and nu2 equals to 7. The second problem B is F 0.95 for degrees of freedom nu1 equals to 12 and nu2 equals to 15. Third problem C is F 0.99 for degrees of freedom nu1 equals to 6 and nu2 equals to 20. And the fourth problem is D is find the value of F 0.95 for degrees of freedom nu1 equals to 10 and nu2 equals to 20. So these are the problems. To solve these problems, we use F distribution table here. Now the first problem is F 0.05 value for degrees of freedom nu1 equals to 15 and nu2 equals to 7. Now check the F distribution table, F 0.05 table. This is the alpha value, means a probability value. Here we check at nu 15, nu1 equals to 15 and nu2 equals to 7 intersectional value. So look at the F distribution table, F 0.05 here, F 0.05 table here. Nu1 equals to 15, nu2 equals to 7. The intersection value of check the F distribution table here. These are the nu1 values. At nu1 values, we look at this is nu2 values. We look at the 7. nu2 equals to 7 and nu1 equals to 15. So this is the intersection of these two values, that is 3.51 from the table. The second problem is F 0.95 for degrees of freedom nu1 equals to 12 and nu2 equals to 15. We have the formula in the last class, that is if alpha greater than 0.95, 0.05, we have the formula here, that is f 1 minus alpha nu 1 nu 2 equals to 1 by f alpha nu 2 comma nu 1. By using this formula, we write the given problem f 0.95 like this. So here f 0.05 at a degrees of freedom 15 comma 12. So this is nu 2 and this is nu 1. So from the table, check the value in the body part. Nu 2 equals to 15 and nu 1 equals to 12 here. Nu 1 equals to 12 here. The intersection value in the body part is of this table is, that is 2.48. This is the value of f 0.05. So our problem is f 0.95. It is also equals to f 0.05 is 2.48. And the third problem is find f 0.99 for nu 1 equals to 6 and nu 2 equals to 12. So same formula used in the above subproblem B. We have here alpha value is 0.05 greater value, that is 0.99 is there. So it can be written as f 1 minus 0.01. So it is also equals to 1 by f, here alpha is 0.01, 0.01 into nu 2 comma nu 1. So f 0.01 nu 2 is 20 comma nu 1 is 6 by using the formula in the above. Now from f distribution table, we will look at the remember in the B problem here, we want to find 1 by of this value. So 1 by 2.48 is equals to 0.403. Now coming to the problem C here. So by using f distribution table of f 0.01 at degrees of freedom 20 comma 6, here 20 is nu 2 and 6 is nu 1. This is f 0.01 table. Nu 2 is 20 here. This is nu 2 is 20. Yes, in nu 2 there is 20 and nu 1 there is 6 here. The intersection point in the body of this table is 3.87. So this value is 3.87. Therefore f 0.99 is equals to is value of 1 by f 0.01, 20 comma 0 is 1 by 3.87, that is equal to 0.258. Now the fourth problem D is find f 0.95 for degrees of freedom nu 1 equals to 10 and nu 2 equals to 20. This problem is for your practice. Do it.